Why?
Because we need to drive the car.
Yeah. Did you get WD-40 in it yet?
Yeah.
Yeah. That was pretty clean. I mean, it's fine. It's not gonna hurt you then. I just meant to use the WD-40.
Thank you.
Huh?
I said thank you.
Why?
Because now I breathe more.
Yeah. You might not like it at first, but you'll start to enjoy it.
This is brake clean, right?
It's the stuff that smells so good. Do you need help?
No.
Okay.
Thank you. I got it. That is powerful.
Yeah.
It's so tasty too.
You're not supposed to eat it.
This is fun.
Doesn't it feel like some sort of like a machine?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. You want me to take it off?